Recovering deleted messages on Robinhood can be challenging, but there are a few steps you can take to try and retrieve them. Follow the steps below to attempt recovery. Step 1. Check the app's archive. Open the Robinhood app and navigate to the Messages section. Some messages may be archived rather than deleted. Look for any options that allow you to view archived messages. Step 2. Review email notifications. Check your email for any notifications from Robinhood. If you received important messages via email, you might find the information you need there. Search your inbox for Robinhood to locate relevant emails. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you cannot find the messages through the app or email, reach out to Robinhood's customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you are trying to recover and they may be able to assist you. Step 4. Check for backups. If you regularly back up your device, check if you have a backup that includes the Robinhood app data. Restoring your device from a backup may help recover deleted messages. Step 5. Monitor future messages. To avoid losing important messages in the future, regularly monitor your messages and consider taking screenshots or saving important information. This proactive approach can help you keep track of critical communications. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on Robinhood may not always be possible, following these steps can increase your chances of retrieving important information. Always remember to keep backups and stay organized to prevent future losses.